How to download TikTok draft videos without uploading. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download TikTok drafts video without uploading. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, and here you'll be seeing all of your drafts videos. So just click on this drafts videos option, and you will not be getting directly download option to simply download your draft videos onto your device. But what you can do instead is you can just click on this next button over here after coming to your draft videos, and you can actually enable this option called save to device by simply heading over to this section of more options and just post it. And as soon as you post it, you can directly delete the video right back up. But if you do not want to upload it and still save it on your device, then in that case what you can do is you just have to do what I'm doing right now, that is screen recording the video. As you can see, I'm screen recording my video, so you can basically screen record your draft video and trim it later, edit it accordingly, just like that. So, and it should be saved on your gallery. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.